This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 20-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, side curtain airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, a folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Framingham Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1200 Worcester Road in Framingham.